Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to integrate Stripe Payment Gateway into your website. Firstly, purchase and install the Formidable Forms plugin if you haven't already and activate the plugin in your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Formidable, then Settings, then Stripe. Choose whether to use Stripe Test Mode for testing payments or click Connect to Stripe. A new page will open the same tab. Enter your email and log in to your Stripe account and follow the prompts to complete the connection. Now go to Formidable on Stripe, then Forms and click plus Add New. Choose a template such as credit card payment or start with a blank form. Now enter a name for your form and click Create, then drag and drop fields as needed and go to Settings, Form Actions, then collect a payment. Under Payment Type, select Recurring. Specify payment frequency and trial period if needed, then click Update to save your changes. Now options include product pages, subscription pages or the dedicated pricing page. Just edit the WordPress page where you want the form and add the Formidable Forms block. Select your Stripe payment form from the drop-down menu and this form will automatically be embedded in your page. Click Update or Publish and your Stripe payment form is live. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.